Hi there, students. A pang. Very often pangs, so a noun. Okay, a pang is a sudden intense pain, or a sudden sharp emotion, or a sudden strong feeling. So he felt pangs of hunger. He felt hunger pangs. So a pang of hunger, this is a really good collocation with this word pang. He felt a pang of guilt. He felt pangs of guilt. Sort of like a twinge, a stab, yeah, a spasm. So, yeah, I felt pangs of guilt about not giving money to the beggar. Okay, so yeah, it's a sudden, sharp, either physical or emotional pain. It's like a spasm of distress. So I felt a pang of remorse. I felt pangs of sadness as I saw the plane leave with my friends in it. Yeah, I was suddenly hit by pangs of desire when I saw this new computer in the shop. Okay, so it can either be a physical sensation, the pangs of childbirth, yeah, sudden intense contractions, but then you can use it emotional as well, pangs of jealousy. So many of us will feel a pang of guilt if we don't do the right thing. Okay, I felt a pang of panic as I realized that I was starting to lose control of the situation. She felt a sudden pang of profound loneliness. Yeah, the way to get rid of hunger pangs is to eat something. Yeah, okay. Maybe if you're on diet, you need to find a way to suppress or control your pangs of hunger. Yeah? So, yeah, pangs of hunger maybe will remind you of those who have less, who are less fortunate than us. Okay? So, a sudden sharp pain or a sudden painful emotion, something you suddenly feel. Yeah? I felt pangs of remorse because I hadn't done what I should have. Okay, so either a physical pain or a feeling. Is hunger a pain? Yeah, it can be a pain, very definitely. And then a sudden sharp feeling of emotional distress, pangs of guilt, pangs of jealousy, pangs of envy, pangs of desire. Yeah, okay. He felt a pang of guilt about the way he was treating his brother. Yeah, have you ever felt a pang of conscience? I'm sure you felt pangs of conscience. Yeah, they're pangs of regret, maybe. Okay, so a pang. How formal is this? I think probably I would give it 5.5 informality. I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation, particularly this collocation, pangs of hunger or a pang of guilt, like a twinge of guilt. Use it anywhere, informally, semi-formally, formally. And then as to origin, the origins may be a little obscure. Maybe it's derived from a Middle English word panga, which might come from a Middle English word pranga, yeah, and that itself might come from Anglo-Latin pronga. Okay, let's see. There's a low German word prang, a stake or a pole or a kind of stocks or pillory. The stocks are where they put the arms and the heads in medieval times. Okay, so pang, yeah. Maybe you could even feel pangs of pride, but normally pangs are talking about something painful, something that caused distress. Enough. if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pang or pangs.